Hey, Phenology class. Just wanted to talk you quickly through the use of our first resource here, the Wildflower of Wisconsin Field Guide, and our flowers assignment for this week. So, um, while you are taking a look here, you can go into Classroom under Phenology Week 4, and you get our little assignment here. And it's hopefully feels like a pretty simple one where you're going to be correctly identifying three flowers that you find in this field guide. And the reason why I want them to be in this field guide is that then you are actively finding plants that are mostly native, but if not completely native, ones that are a positive contributor to the ecosystems here in Wisconsin. So, and in there, you're going to be finding at least three characteristics to appropriately identify those three flowers. And I gave you some examples there of flower shape, leaf shape, blooming time, etc. And then the last part I want you to do is be sure you document the date, the time, and the location of where you found those. And that gets important with our concept of phenology because that's where you are able to start to document how you see things changing over time. And you can compare maybe an observation to other locations as well of maybe some other things other folks in class observed. So that's the kind of quick overview. You're given 3 slides here, so you can put in your photo here, and then you can put in the name of your flower, the date and time you observed it and location, and then the characteristics of how you could tell that that's what it was. Okay. So as you're figuring that out, the cool thing about this particular guide is it's kind of like a guess and check guide, which is how we tend to pick up books a lot of times anyhow. And you'll notice on here there are little color tabs here. And those colored tabs are actually for the color of the flower. So if you see a blue flower, you can go in and look under blue flower. I found a common blue violet. I'll look at this and see what information I can verify. And this will help you with your 3 characteristics. So you can look in here and it describes leaf shape. It describes the flower shape. So all of that could be things that could help you look at it and be like, yes, this is definitely this flower, as well as things you can put in the characteristics. Okay. So that's the assignment itself. And then some things that might help you with this and what can actually kick you up to a 4 if you want to go above and beyond those 3 flowers is I gave you a little scavenger hunt here. So my hope is this can point you in the right direction a little bit. These are some of the commonly found flowers this time of year. So you can use this as a reference to say like, oh man, I wonder if I can go and find the Canada goldenrod. It's one you find kind of all over the place right now, or the milkweed, or black-eyed Susan, some of these different ones. So this can help maybe point you in the right direction. And then if you are able to find these, you can put again location, time, and date. And again, this may kick you up to a 4 for this week with the phenology if you went above and beyond just those 3 that you used for your project. So hopefully it's a little bit of fun. Hopefully you can find something beautiful and then capture some neat photography with Rachel's various strategies to do that. So good luck and enjoy hunting for flowers this week.